Guys, I'm about to meet Taylor. Oh my gosh.
Been to California, never been to LA. So I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends.
Okay guys, so we finally arrived at Singapore. So we're here talaga for the Eras Tour. Okay guys, so it's currently 1:29 a.m. Kaka-check-in lang namin sa hotel namin and naghanap kami ng pwedeng kainan. And we're here sa isang mall and we're having a hot pot. And ayun, feel namin, deserve namin yung hot pot kasi parang wala lang, sobrang pagod lang namin. So deserve talaga namin mag hot pot kayo. Pero guys, ang mahal. Charo! Pero okay lang yun guys. Okay lang naman. Ang importante mag-enjoy tayo. So, let's go! Sesame sauce. Sesame sauce. Saan ka sesame sauce? Collagen soup. Sarap. Sarap. Guys, we're trying the collagen soup. Sarap. Hi! So, nandito kami sa Dempsey Hill and we're having our first cafe for today. So, we're having our breakfast lang. And ayun, share ko lang, sobrang convenient ng transportation dito, as in walang traffic, ganyan. Tapos sobrang smooth lang talaga ng bus nila. So, ayun. Anyways, let's go! Sarap. Okay guys, so for our next stop, nandito na kami sa Juchiat. And marami ditong cafes, mga bakeries, ganyan. So, yun muna yung target natin. So yun, let's go! Hello! Hello! Okay guys, so nandito na kami sa Flower Dome. Actually, it's currently 8:27 p.m. Yung last admission nila is 8:30. So, technically, hindi na ako naka-vlog sa isa kasi nagmamadali na din kami. Eh, ang dami niya pasikot-sikot. So, buti na lang, nabutan namin to. Good morning everyone! So medyo late na kami magsisimula kasi sobrang napasarap yung tulog namin. But eto, yung first stop namin is itong Old Airport Road Food Center. So dito kami magbo-brunch and after niyon mag-Universal na kami. So ayun, let's go! Time to
Yeah. 3:30 until 4:30, but I pay extra $25 for somebody to stay there. So
Right? So if you want to take photo, you can take photo. Just be careful. Enjoy the Q&A.
Okay guys, so we're having our dinner tonight and we're supposed to meet our friends, si Nina at si Ray, but nalito kami. Sa isang branch kami ng resto na pagkikitaan sana namin, eh medyo malayo siya. So, buti na lang may bukas pang malapit dito. It's currently 8:41. Marami na ring sarado nung punta namin, but thankfully may parang food court dito na bukas. So, ayun, kain muna kami. Ay, mga sisi. Ang sarap. Okay guys, so it's March 3, so it's Taylor Swift Day! So, nakiha namin to sa Klook. So, basically, it's another hotel. And, finally, malaking space, malaking hotel! And, buti na lang, pinayagan kami mag-check-in ng early. Actually, may available room na. Kasi 3 p.m. pa naman. But, anong oras na ba? Parang 11 na. So, may time pa kami maggala. And nakadala kami ng pang-swimming. So, baka mag-swimming muna kami before kami mag-ayos. So, ayun. I'll keep you guys updated. And, ayun, I'm so excited for tonight. Okay guys, so here's my outfit for tonight. Sobrang last minute to, as in hindi ko masyadong napag-isipan to. Pero ayun, medyo babawiin natin sa face gems, ganyan. Pero ayun, we are now on our way to National Stadium to watch the Taylor Swift. So, ayun, hindi ko siya madadala pero mag-film na lang ako ng mga performances niya. So ayun, let's go! I'm so excited! Guys, I'm about to meet Taylor! Oh my gosh!
End up with you. Swear to be over dramatic and true to my themselves before you get the chance to swing. To get my extraordinary backing vocalist.
Sarap. Okay guys, so nandito ulit kami. Nandito pa rin kami sa Singapore and it's our 4th day. 4th day tama no? So ayun, we decided na mag-extend kasi para makagala pa kami. And para hindi kami masyadong ngarag kasi sobrang pagod talaga namin from the concert. Like pag uwi namin sa hotel, 12 na, so borlogs na. So ngayon, nandito kami sa Sentosa kasi we're doing the Skyline Luge. And ayun, sobrang recommended siya. Sobrang cute, sobrang saya ng experience. Okay guys, so nandito naman po tayo sa next stop natin. Ito yung Orchard Central and may nakita kaming cafe kasi sobrang gutom na kami. So, we're dining here at Equate Cafe. And ayun, kain muna tayo guys. So, bye! Okay guys, so we bought merch. Finally, walang pila dito sa Kalang Wave. As in, wala. Pero nabutan namin yung pinaka-last song ni Taylor. So, ayun. Parang free concert na din. Pero baka mauna na kami kasi last song na nga. So, para iwas crowd. So, ayun. Okay guys, so sobrang maulan today. Feel ko hindi ko maabutan yung Marina Base na binook namin sa Klook. So kami, pumunta na kami dito sa Capita Spring. Okay guys, so for today, hindi na naman po natuloy yung Marina Bay Sands natin kasi umuulan na naman ngayon, so dapat kahapon pa siya. Pero ayun, maulan din kahapon, so baka bukas na lang siya kasi may araw pa naman kami tomorrow. But today, lumipat na lang kami sa Capita Spring. Medyo same view and free pa siya, so doon na lang kami muna as of now. Yung weather ngayon, pasulpot-sulpot yung ulan, so medyo hassle siya kasi may mga binu kami na temporary close. Thank you.
Yeah, there's a burrito. Tanjut Manis. Alam mo yung kao? Hindi. Gano'ng sarap siya?
Malayo. Pero, malayo pa sana.
Walang fish.
Okay guys, so nandito po ulit tayo sa Marina Bay Sands Sky Park Observation Deck. And finally, after 3 tries, ito na, nandito na kami, natuloy na kami. Actually, medyo umaambon pa nga. Para sabi namin, okay, push na natin para hindi masayang yung binayad namin. So, ayun. Thank you.